Hi, my name is Harmitka and today I'm gonna present my research proposal presentation. So I'm gonna do a research on impact of advertising on consumer buying behavior. So in my research I will see like how the advertising is affecting consumers buying behavior in different relation. So as we can see in this lovely picture, like what the consumer think if when they saw an advertisement, so I think advertisement like affect consumers buy behavior in a large extent because consumers they are totally sometimes they are dependent to the advertisement. So in my research, in the research project, the research problem has been identified as the impact of advertising on consumers' buying behavior, which will be addressed with a mixed approach. So I will use mixed approach in my research project problem. And what's a mixed approach? So in the mixed approach, I will use the qualitative and quantitative approach while collecting the data. So I think this is the most appropriate thing, and it will help me to do my research within a smooth way. So what the research problem? So the research problem is like the identification of critical impact of the advertising on the consumer buy. So my research problem, as I discussed before, is like the impact of advertising on the consumer buying behavior. And the another thing is the degree to which the customers are impacted with the help of affecting advertisement. So I will check, like identify what degree, like what extent the consumers they are affecting with the after seeing an advertisement. So so next thing is my research aims and questions. So the first aim of my research is to find out or ascertain the impact on the consumer's buying behavior with the help of the advertisement. So the first aim of my research is to identify what extent the consumers are affected by the advertisement, and the second aim is to find out the magnitude of impact on the consumers buying behavior due to advertisement. So what the magnitude of the of impact on the consumers buying behavior after having an advertisement. So I have only two research questions, and the first research question is how far the consumers buying behaviors is impacted by advertisement, like how, what on what extent the consumers buying behavior is affected with the help of advertisement. And the second question which in I'm interested, and that's what are the major impacts on the consumer buying behavior. So I will check what are the major aspects which are influences by the help of advertisement, its attention, its perception, like these kinds of effects I will discuss, try to search in my research. Next is the theoretical framework. So the major theoretical framework that has been followed may be stated as to first identify the problem properly. So that means I will identify the problem properly before I start my research. And secondly, research methodology is to be properly identified, that will be used to collect various kinds of data. So research methodology, I will use the research methodology which will help me to collect the data in appropriate meaning. And the third thing is selecting the appropriate methodology in order to address the research problem. After that I will select the proper methodology for my research problem, like what I have to use, and that's all I have to do before start my research. So next is the research methods and contribution of research. So research methods, but the process of quantitative method which will enable the research process to collect various kinds of information. And the second, our qualitative approach will be interviewing various people. So what I will do my research with interviewing or surveying technique. So I will use the interview technique and the survey technique. It depend on the circumstances, on the situation. So I will use these two techniques to collect my data and to get in touch with my sample. So contribution of research, the research on the topic of the impact of advertising on the consumer's buying behavior may result in depth knowledge of marketing. That's correct. So with the help of after conducting this research, I'm able to, I can get a depth knowledge of marketing, how people are affected by advertising, and is it really beneficial for the business to give their advertisement. So the second thing, it will result into most effective advertising. So what we can know, like which are the most appropriate techniques of advertisement. So these two things can be contribute in the further studies. So research project plan is, I will try to complete my research in 13 weeks. So first 2 weeks for research problem identification, next 2 weeks for ethical consideration or ethical approval, which is the main aspect of any research and we have to keep in mind because before conducting any kind of research. So next is completing through literature review. I will give 2 weeks for literature review, and next I will contribute 3 weeks for collection of data, because I think that's another most important thing for our research, because our research findings are like completely dependent on our collection of data. So next I will do 1 week for analysis of data and preparing my final report, and I will write my final report within 3 weeks. So total it will 13 weeks, but time may be vary according to the circumstances or according to the situation. So this is all my research proposal, and so I will complete it within given time. So there is some references. So that's all. Thank you.